Hi guys, so we made it to our destination.
We're in District 1 of Ho Chi Minh City, and we're going to show you some of the top things to do in Ho Chi Minh City today.
Yeah.
We rode the VinFast electric bus here today. D4 got us all the way here in about an hour and 10 minutes. It was $21K for all three of us to ride. It's air conditioned and has free Wi-Fi.
Two chocolate candy now.
Yeah, sorry.
Yes, start over with $8. How's it going?
108. Quick hack. Get you a chocolate drink from one of the coffee places here. We got Cadillac coffee. Buy you a Nescafe espresso. It's like 11K. Mix them together. Absolutely fabulous. A lot of coffee.
He's known as Milo Coffee Guy now. We're on a walking tour. We don't need a van tour, right, honey?
That's right.
Okay, we made it to the walking street. What's it called?
Nguyen Hue.
Walking street in Ho Chi Minh City, District 1. Got our coffees. We added extra espresso. So we're going to have a little extra pep in our step today, we hope. And be able to keep up with Cambry.
We're on the search for a slushie for Cambry.
7-Eleven. Staple in any traveler's meals and budget. See what they have in here. Maybe make you some party cups over here. Oh. You don't want a slushie? There's no slushies at 7-Eleven, so instead she wants a treat over here. But that's just instead at this store, because when we go to the next one and she sees a slushie, she's going to want that too.
That's what you want?
And it's better than the United States.
Better than the U.S.? Hard. We hard Vietnam. So we got Cambry a treat, wasn't a slushie, marshmallows, something or other. And now we're on the hunt for some food. We got another coffee put in our coffee cups.
Vietnam is known for their coffee, and it is excellent.
It's excellent. So, on the hunt for food.
Okay, so behind me is the Nguyen Hue pedestrian walking street. At night, this is going to come alive. They're going to have all kinds of street carts and vendors out here. They're going to have snake charmers and all kinds of things. But this is what it looks like during the day. So we're going to try to get it again tonight and to see the differences.
And we're gonna be down here tonight, right, Daddy? And I'm gonna hold a snake. I'm gonna hold another snake. I'm gonna... Right now. Yeah.
We're going to find our way to the Binh Mi street food, where it's like a street food mall. It's got coverage and everything. It does look a little cloudy out here, like it's going to rain. It usually rains once a day, every day, for a couple hours, and then it stops, cools off the weather, and then it's very lovely outside.
All right, so we're going to try some of the street food here at Binh Mi Street Food Market. They have an overhang. We've heard some good reviews on this place on some other YouTubers' channels. It looks like it may rain, so I think we picked a great time to try to get something to eat today.
Crossing the street is always a challenge. Oh, there they go without me. I wonder when Mark will even notice that I didn't get across. Let's see how long it takes him to figure it out. Cambry noticed. Mark still doesn't know. Oh, finally, he realized. The nice security guard came over to get me. He's gonna stop traffic just for me. How sweet is that? And here I come. Sweet Cambry. All right, made it across the street, everybody, in one piece. Maybe
Yeah.
separately, but in one piece.
We're gonna walk around and see what they have to offer before we make our decision. Hey, how you doing? We're just taking it out right now, checking it out.
We're gonna make a round, see what they have. They have cocktails here.
Daddy, watch out.
Definitely tourist prices compared to where we've been eating at before. Most of this stuff's about half the price from all the street markets we've been going to. It looks good. Beef steak with pepper sauce, french fries looks good, and the fried chicken.
Yeah.
I will say the fried chicken we've eaten here has been awesome. I don't know what kind of batter they're using, but I love it.
Definitely crispier here than.
We're just checking it out real quick. Stir-fried chicken with cashews, I like that. Stir-fried beef with egg, I like that. I'll say if you're looking for a beer, this is probably a great place to get one. The prices here are honestly about the same as they are in a supermarket for a can of beer.
That looks good.
Pork rib.
What is it? Pork rib?
What is this? Yeah. Thank you.
Pork.
We're just looking right now. We're just looking.
That's a duck. Pizza.
Huh?
Pizza.
Let's go pizza. Okay, so we decided to go with a pizza here. It was $170K for a margarita pizza.
It's called Pizza Regina here.
It's actually very, very good. It looks really good. The reason we decided to go for this is because we didn't really feel like paying the tourist prices on the regular food, and we can get them in restaurants where we're staying for half that price. But the pizza was actually a great deal. This is what we're paying back pretty much anywhere. So what do you guys think? Y'all ready?
You know what I thought? We forgot our salt shaker that we bought last night to bring with us out everywhere we
And why do we need that?
Because they don't have salt anywhere. Man.
But we're going to make it okay. This is the first time we've actually got some really good tomatoes on the margarita pizza, so I'm excited. Let's dig in.
Tourists jamming up the picture. Gotta wait on their bus to leave so we can take a picture.
All right, so we're at one of the attractions in District 1 here. This is the famous statue of Ho Chi Minh. A lot of people come here to get their pictures taken. On a great day today, there's not many people here, so we kind of got the place to ourselves. But this is right here, right past the walking street. As you're walking down here, you will see it right away. So when North Vietnam defeated South Vietnam after the Great Conflict, about a 20-year conflict, Ho Chi Minh renamed Saigon Ho Chi Minh City. Now, a lot of people still call it Saigon today, but a lot of people go Ho Chi Minh as well. We kind of go back and forth on both of them.
This guy said he was going home and gave Cambria free coconuts, supposedly. Before we could tell him no, he had cracked open 2 more and handed them to us, and then tried to charge us for them about 5 times what a coconut would cost. So we just handed them back and walked off. Watch out for scammers on the street with coconuts and other things they're just handing you, because they are not free.
So we had to take a quick break today. It was raining outside, so we are taking an opportunity to do a little bit of homeschooling, doing an English lesson / history. Take any opportunity we can to get the homeschooling in between our adventures. Highlands Coffee is a great place.
Sidewalks here are just a suggestion, because scooters can go on them. Anybody can be on the sidewalk. There's cars, there's scooters, there's people, there's bikes, everybody. See? Perfect example right there. So watch out no matter where you go.
A tourist note, if you have to go to the bathroom, there are Highlands Coffee everywhere. Very clean bathrooms. You can just walk in, get out quick. So behind us is the post office, the Saigon post office. Great landmark here. We're going to kind of go walk up to it, see if we can get in really quick.
Let's go check it out. Oh, it's starting to rain. Gift shops and beautiful architecture. So you don't have to pay to come in to pay to mail something. So a magnet is about a little over $2.
We are on Book Street. It is right beside Highlands Coffee and the post office. In the age of technology, it's nice to see that they still treasure books around here. This whole street is dedicated to bookstores. And as far as you can see, you can find a book. They have English and Vietnamese books. They have all sorts of languages here. It is raining on us, so I'm not going to go too deep into Book Street today, but it is right beside the post office, so if you have a inkling to get a book, you can sure find one here.
Where are we going?
McDonald's! Let's go!
65. Here comes 20. Oh, maybe it's gonna splash us. Yep. Back up. Everybody back up. Did you see everybody? Even though we were warned, a bus just came by and splashed all of us.
Got me really good.
With water. Definitely. Apparently Cambria had her mouth open because it never closes.
Reminds me of Eddie Murphy, Delirious. Got me with my mouth open.
So if you see potholes in the road like that and a bus is coming, you better move your honey out the way.
It was not
Because
fun.
you're going to get wet. And it's pretty nasty. So, showers for everybody, which we already do anyways, but definitely I'm ready for a shower now.
I'm watching the other way to see if I see the D4 bus come up. I'm gonna run over there and see where it picks up at.
Well, you better be careful, Daddy, because if you get run over, I'm gonna cry all day long, all day long.
That'll be terrible, wouldn't it, Camry? So the walking street we went back to tonight, it was raining for about an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Really hard.
And so we went back and it was a bus. There was nothing new tonight that we did not see during the day. Really nothing to do except go to convenience stores and restaurants. And we walked through some shady parts, I would say, with some girls in skimpy dresses and heels sitting outside. We'll leave that up to your imagination what that was. And so we're gonna make our way back to the bus stop and head back to the apartment and grab some dinner and some stuff to take back to the apartment tonight.
But we appreciate you coming along for our adventures today. We hope you maybe learned something. We had a good time today.
Yeah, we had a great time. So we saw some historical things and we had a good time at the food market and we saw a lot of great things today and Camry had a good time.
She got her McDonald's tonight, so she is all happy.
Maybe another night the street market is bustling, but tonight with the rain there was just nothing there that wasn't there during the day that we saw.
Stay tuned, we are going to try again coming up.
Yep.
And I wanted to see a snake, but I didn't get to see them.
Not tonight.
We saw some snakes, but in the human form.
That's pretty common. But anyway, thanks for joining us and don't forget to be weird.
It's more fun.